Hello, everyone. Today I'm coming up with a special announcement and some clarity on the usage of PPP and EIDL loan money. This is one of the questions I have been getting asked in last 10, 15 days a lot by so many business owners that can you use a PPP and EIDL loan money to pay your tax obligations? And the answer is no. Under the CARES Act, it specifically says the EIDL loan money as well as the PPP loan money cannot be used to pay any tax obligations. Now, see, government has always been looking for the business owners, whether in terms of the PPP, EIDL loan money, either and many other benefits that are available to the business owners because of the pandemic. The very same way, the government also wants you as a business owner to pay minimum tax possible. Okay, very minimum tax possible. And that's the reason why the Tax Cuts and Job Act, which is 70,000 pages long, out of which only 30 pages tells you have to pay taxes. The rest 69,970 pages tells you have to not pay the taxes. If government was not really looking to save you money on taxes, I don't think they will spend 69,970 pages explaining how to not pay the taxes. So government wants you to succeed as a business owner, thrive as an entrepreneur. But how do we take the advantage of it? That's a big question. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Minal Babaria, and I'm a CPA certified tax coach. And I've gone through an extensive training in identifying loopholes, deductions, and credits that saves my clients thousands of dollars in taxes. I own a full service professional accounting firm in Central Valley, Pennsylvania, and we have the team of CPAs in house. So going over that, for the first time, we are offering a free tax planning webinar where we will go over what is exactly tax planning, how to do it. Tax planning, there are so many misconceptions around it. Tax planning is not really stealing from the government. The tax planning is planning your spending in a way with the income shifting and expense shifting strategies that will, so that you pay the bare minimum tax possible. At the same time, you are legally compliant. There are two components: paying the less minimum tax possible, at the same time being legally compliant. So we will be going over, what it entails in detail. At the same time, I will be sharing with you all three top tax saving strategies to use in 2020. The next tax payment due date for the estimated taxes is coming in less than 3 months from now. And if you are someone who is suffering and are looking to cut down on your tax expense, this is the best webinar for you to join in. This is the very first time we are offering it for free. And on top of that, we have crafted out a booklet which we will be sharing with all the attendees, which includes top 10 tax strategies, which helps you cut down your tax bill by at least 30%. By at least 30%. So you will receive the booklet. At the same time, you will receive three top tax saving strategies for 2020 to use, and how you can pay your employees who are suffering through the pandemic at the same time, tax free. So this webinar is going to be on July 23rd, 2020 at 3 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. And because this is one of its kind webinar, we have limited the participant space to first 100 registration only. And so make sure to register ahead of time if you are looking to participate in this webinar. And you will also have an opportunity to ask a live question and answer. We will be coming up with more and more tips to help you as a business owner how to reduce your expense, whether it is taxes or other operating expense or the payroll, anything else. The goal at the end of the day is helping you educate to take an informed decision to survive through the pandemic. Okay? If you don't plan to succeed, the failure is right there. So we have to all together combined as a community have to plan have to be succeed, have to plan what are the strategies, whether it's tax related or other strategies that we will utilize to survive through this pandemic. Alrighty, stay strong. Bye.